Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 4, today we are going to see the 6th chapter in EVS about Omna's journey. See here, children. On seeing this picture, what you can able to understand that Omna and their family members, they are sitting in a train and they are moving somewhere, right? What are all the characters in this chapter? Omna's best friend Radha, grandmother, Omna's father, and Radha's mother. Today we are going to see these characters in our story. See here. She is sharing her trip memories with us. On first, Radha and Omna, they have planned for a trip. Their family has planned to move to the Kerala to Omna's grandma's home for spending the holiday. So Radha, her best friend, and Omna, they have planned. They were so excited on going on a train trip. Suddenly what happened? Radha, she fell down from the bicycle. Her left leg has fractured. We all know what is fractured, a crack in a bone. Their father, Omna's father, he booked the train ticket for their family and also for the Radha's family. What happened suddenly? Radha, she fell down, so she got crack in her leg, so her bone has fractured. So doctor, what he said? He made the plaster and he made all the treatments, and he said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. So Radha's family, they want to cancel the trip. So they cancelled the trip. Omna was so sad. She was so excited, and Radha also, she was so excited on moving on the trip. So both of them get so sad. So what Radha's mother she did means, she gave some idea to Omna. You just start writing the diary every day. You can write everything, whatever you are seeing and whatever you are enjoying, whatever you are doing in your holiday, just write that in a diary. On reading that, Radha can also know that what was happened in that day and what you have enjoyed and what you have seen on that days. So Radha can feel also happy and you can feel happy. So Omna, she said, yeah, thank you. It is a good idea. I will start writing the diary and I will write all the things in a diary. So, in this lesson, we are reading the pages of Omna's diary. About the journey. On first. Now, she is sharing the trip and her experience with us. On first, about her journey, we are going to learn. As soon as they reached the station, train also reached the platform. Then Omna's father, he checked the reservation chart, their name and their seat number, whether it is correct or not. All the people were pushing one another for taking the seat in a one door itself. All the people are pushing one by one the others to take their seat and to place their luggages. Somehow they managed and get inside the train and they find their seat and they put their luggages. In the train they found their seat and they arranged their luggages in their respective places. What was a berth? Omna's father and mother, they had the lower berth. For Unni, Omna's brother, and for Omna, they have booked the middle berth. And the upper berth was occupied by the 2 college students. Later, when the train has started moving, ticket checker, he came and he checked whether all the passengers are sitting in their proper seats or not. It is the work of the ticket checker whether the date is correct, whether the age is correct, whether they are sitting in their respective seat or not. He came and he started checking. So these are all the first day experience of Omna. She started writing in her diary. Soon Omna's mother, she called and she has opened the tiffin box. Omana's mother, she had packed a lot of foods like dokla, chutney, lemon rice, and minta. Everything, she was packed a lot of things. So Omana, she is saying, my mouth is watering. I will write more later. She is saying, I will write about my journey later. So, about her journey, we will learn in the next class, children. Thank you and have a great day.